Coach, perfect return for you tonight to a place where you once coached for so many years, won so many titles, and to get a win like this over Arnett Gardens. You must be very happy with this.
Well, happy is an understatement. But I think on the other hand, the Tivoli Garden family is more than happy. The management, the president, the players. This is something that we are looking forward to, as a Tivoli unit. And is the amount of work that has put in that made a difference today.
3 goals from young Justin. Tell us about your thoughts on his performance.
Well, I think it's a new generation of players you're looking at. He will be one of them for the future, and it's my duty to guide him the best possible way that he can maximize his real potential and move forward.
He credits you for everything that happened tonight. He said that you realized his talent as a striker, moved him from defense to attack, and he's very glad for this opportunity that you have given to him.
Yes, and there's always more opportunity for other players. And, in the near future, you'll be seeing more talent transforming from one position to the other. Because when I'm coaching, I coach players to play more than one position. So in case anything, we can always rotate to still get the best out of them.
How much of a boost now this coach boosts the season going forward?
You notice this is also the 3rd game of the season. It's a long season, so we have to take it as it comes. But we have our niggling injuries from this game, so we have to ensure that we get those players up and ready. If not, we have replacement for them, and then we move forward.
Okay. All right,